congratulations to all of our participants and winners. Our event for tomorrow is basketball. You're about to see our team do our basketball videos and skills, and you're also going to see our special guest of Avi. Avi was a student of mine when he was in kindergarten. The past 2 years, he's been a student of Miss Danielle's. He attends daily adapted PE, where he has the support of peer buddies in his class that we were able to start with his school 4 years ago. Enjoy.
Here's what I did for today's skill. I put 2 different colored tape squares on the ground. So what I'm gonna do for that is I'm gonna dribble by alternating hands from my right to my left, trying to keep the ball in the square at all times. Have fun, be creative, enjoy. Can't wait to see your videos.
I'm going to be showing you guys some dribbling. I've got 3 options. I've got a tennis ball, a soccer ball, and I had to have some more fun with it, so I've got my big yoga ball. Yoga ball! Alright. So remember, you guys can show us your skills. Maybe you want to throw a spin in while you're dribbling. Try and switch hand to hand. Show us your basketball skills.
For our basketball event, we wanted to do some backyard shooting with different balls at different distances. We also have my friend up with the drone, because why not incorporate a drone into this? So first up, we have Dylan shooting into the hoop. Yay! All right, we're gonna have Colin take a couple shots now from whatever distance he chooses. Yay! All right, now I'm gonna try and make it from like 50 feet away, because why not?
Hi, my name is Bruchik Patel, and I'm here to talk about my son, Avi. He's on the autism spectrum, and one of the features unique to him is reduced motor function and reduced motor responsiveness. And so to combat that and to sort of help him through tougher times, we practice various physical activities like dribbling. And so our event today is going to be the dribbling challenge, to see how long he can dribble this ball. You do one hand? Good, yeah.
Awesome!
Do your right hand.
Good job!
Come on, Avi. Really good job.
Great dribbling, Avi. I cannot wait to see everyone's basketball videos tomorrow. Get busy. You have 24 hours to think of your basketball skill, practice it, film it, and then be ready to post it to our video tomorrow night at 7 p.m. Right now, post in the comments of this video your rolling video. We look forward to watching those and announcing the winners for rolling tomorrow night. Have fun.